This is my last example then for section 2.4. I went ahead and showed you the first slide again. This last example is a longer example because I have a quotient rule written to the third power. So I have quotient rule and chain rule that I'm going to have to apply to this problem. The derivative of g of x is going to be, I'm going to pretend that this is my big huge x. So I'm going to take the derivative of just that part, which would be bringing this 3 out front, rewriting these huge parentheses with the squared part. Had this been just an x, I would have been finished, but it's not. I have to take the derivative of what's inside of here. Well, what's inside of there is a quotient rule. I am going to have to use quotient rule, and I'm going to multiply these together. So I will say my quotient rule statement, and I'll go ahead and make these different colors so that you can see where I'm talking about. I'm going to say bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over bottom squared. Now, if I leave it like this, it's right, and it would work out fine for me to just plug in a number at this point if they ask me to find the derivative at 2. But we're going to try to clean this up just a little bit, just so it looks just a little bit nicer. I am going to go ahead and just leave this first part as it was. So I'm just recopying it. Really, the only place I'm going to clean this up is back here on the second fraction. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this part through, which gives me a 12x squared plus 18x. And then back here I have a minus, okay, and we'll distribute this 2 through. I have a minus 6x squared minus 4. And I said minus 6x squared, but that would be after I distribute that negative through. All over 2x plus 3 squared. So I guess I will take this just one step further. I will go ahead and distribute my negative through and combine my like terms. So I'll have 12x squared minus 6x squared, which is 6x squared, plus 18x, and that would be plus 4, all over this 2x plus 3 squared. The only thing else I can really do is bring down this other part. I'm not going to multiply these all together or anything like that. We'll just go ahead and leave our answer as this.